Tour of Sukhothai. Hindi pumasok ko here. Naglakad tayo.
No, we walk there.
Doon. Gusto yung destination nandoon.
That's exactly where we parked.
Hindi pumasok.
Pwede masok park doon.
I think ko kasi may mga massive structure na na-miss natin ba sa loob yan somewhere. Or may entrance sila.
We have to park inside.
Ano?
Yeah.
Ito man yung ano. O yan o. This area.
Take the next left, then turn right.
Take the next left, then turn right.
The next left.
Oh, Sukhothai historical park. The whole place is the park.
Yeah.
Then we just have to park here.
Take the next right, then turn left.
Doon tayo pasok sa loob nila. Ayan o.
Continue for 800 meters.
So you have to park here. Unless you want to go around muna.
Ikot-ikot tayo?
Yung pwedeng allow ng car.
Sige. Yun na, pwede yung parking dito.
Pwede dyan. Basta dyan. Dyan
Tapos
dyan
ikot
tayo
na naman,
balik.
diba? Dyan ulit, balik
Pati
na.
hanggang saan lang makita natin.
May walking tour na pati. Forested area pala siya.
May mga ano siya doon ng sides. Baka mahaba-habang lakaran.
Pwede yung parking ka dyan.
Problema dyan ang entrance mo saan ka pasok. Doon. Pasok ito ah. Ito. Hindi pala.
Straight pa doon.
Okay, ikat-ikat muna tayo. Sorry. Let's just go around before we walk. It's a school.
You know, means
It's
The
a
king?
school. Yeah,
the king is here.
it's a school.
You know, si king. Kung picture si king.
Yep. It's a school.
Yung pala, walking.
Mag-ride muna tayo before tayo mag-walk. If pwede nga hindi tayo mag-walk.
Ito lang siya.
That's a loob.
Siguro. I don't think so.
I think you have to walk. Yan, I think that's ano. Yan.
Wala kami nakikitang structure.
Yan. That. On your left. Pwede mag-park lang dito siguro. Pwede.
Ayan, the structure.
Yeah, we cannot park here now.
Hindi nga. Ayan,
Yan. Yes, that one. Sige lang tayo muna. At saan natin saan punta.
Unless dito. Ang pasok ko na nata is kung lang central. Yung structure din, no?
I think marami to eh. May mga ano pa sila eh. But it's a big walk, big long walk lang talaga.
Okay na, more than 2 minutes. Okay na.
Okay na?
Ilang minutes?
3:25.
Okay.